Your home or personal property has been damaged, and you want to make an insurance claim. How do you do that? While different types of losses may require special attention, the basic process is pretty straightforward. First of all, report your loss. Call your insurance representative. Many insurance companies also provide you with a special phone number to call for emergencies, even if they occur after regular business hours. Depending on the type of loss, you will need to take any steps necessary to secure your property and protect it from further damage. You may also need to contact appropriate authorities, such as your local police if your property has been stolen. While insurers strive to respond to all claims as quickly as possible, there will be times when your insurer may need to respond first to those claimants whose situation is most urgent or severe. For example, a sewer backup in your basement in the middle of the night will be responded to more quickly than a report that your bike was stolen at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. In any case, the next step is for an adjuster to contact you. This adjuster may be an employee of the insurance company or may be an independent. Either way, the adjuster will take the details of the loss so the insurer can determine if your policy covers it. They will also explain the rest of the claims process to you. In addition to explaining to the adjuster what happened, you will also need to provide a detailed list of the items that were damaged or destroyed. This will include model and serial numbers, and you will likely need to prove your loss. In other words, demonstrate that you did in fact own such property. So don't throw away or destroy those damaged items just yet. Keep them to show to your adjuster. Once coverage is confirmed, the insurance company will approve the repair or replacement of the property, and that can occur in one of 3 ways. If the property can be cleaned or repaired to its pre-loss condition, then that will be done. But if that is not possible, then it will be replaced, if you have replacement cost endorsement on your policy. If you decide to take a cash settlement instead, then you will receive what is known as actual cash value. This means that the value is depreciated to reflect the age and use of the item. But remember that if you want to take advantage of the replacement cost feature, you must actually replace the item. In most cases, you are free to replace your items through the vendor of your choice, but you will need to secure 2 estimates and accept the lower. Your insurer may have preferred vendor arrangements. You may choose to use them because usually you will not require a second estimate, and that can be a time-saving measure for you. You will have some paperwork to fill out, and your adjuster will provide those forms and explain them to you. Do complete them as soon as possible and check with your adjuster to find out if there are any time limitations that apply to you. Also, once you have submitted your forms, the insurer must either pay your claim or explain to you why it is not covered by your policy within 60 days. Depending on the arrangements you make with your adjuster, you can purchase the replacement articles, and the insurer will send you a check for the amount you spent, less your deductible, or, alternately, they may arrange for payment of the vendor directly. In this case, you would send the check to the insurer for the amount of the deductible. So these are the basic steps in the claims process. Check your insurer's website or ask your insurance representative for more details. And one last thing. We talked earlier about providing a detailed list of property that has been damaged. There's no time like right now to make a home inventory. That way, you will be able to quickly assemble the information required to make a claim and cut down on the stress of it all. For Insurance Bureau of Canada, I'm Lindsay Olson.